Today I'm going to share the recipe of a quick veg salad with you. This is inspired by the Thai cuisine. It has notes of sweet and sour and spicy, all because of the killer dressing. Let's make this together. Let's start by taking 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. I'm going to transfer these to a Ziploc bag. We want to break these up into smaller pieces by using a rolling pin or anything heavy. That's how it should look, not too powdery. Next, let's get our veggies ready. I'm using 2 cups of finely shredded cabbage. You can either shred this in a food processor, or let me show you quickly how you cut this using a knife. So first you cut the cabbage in half, and then you just glide or scrape the knife against the cabbage like that. And it turns into these really fine strands. See? Like that. Okay, moving on. We need 2 medium-sized carrots sliced thin, 3 small cucumbers sliced thin, 2 tomatoes sliced thin. I removed the seeds and the pulpy part. It's up to you if you want to do it. 1 bell pepper sliced thin. You could use all the different bell pepper colors. Some purple onion sliced thin. I like a little bit, but you can add as much as you like. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Okay, all done. Doesn't that look pretty? Now let's work on a super flavorful dressing. We are going to combine 1.5 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. If you're using high sodium, around half a tablespoon should be enough. To this, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. For the sweetness, we are going to add honey. I'm going to add around 1.5 tablespoons or so. It's going to be balanced out by the salty and spicy flavors, so make sure to add enough. Next, let's squeeze some fresh juice from half a lime. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic and half a teaspoon of crushed ginger. Give that all a good mix. You can probably already tell how tasty this is going to be. You can have any veggies in your salad, coat it with this dressing, and it's going to taste awesome. If you want it a little more hot, sprinkle some red chili flakes. Next, add around half of the roasted peanuts. Now let's give it a good mix so the dressing coats all the veggies. Make sure to add the dressing right before you're going to eat the salad. If not, it could turn watery. Now let's give it a taste and sprinkle some salt if needed. Finally, garnish with the remaining peanuts. And your salad is ready. Absolutely delicious. Alright my friends, that's all for today. If you're on any of these different social media sites, please follow me. And for written recipes, you can visit my blog. All the links are in the description. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it! I post exciting recipes every week. Don't forget to press the notification bell. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.